Hello everyone, welcome back. We are so happy you're here today. My name's David.
And I'm Alice. Thank you for joining us. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today we have a very useful lesson. We are going to learn how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Yes, this is something many English learners want to practice. Maybe you travel, maybe you visit a cafe, maybe you eat at an international restaurant.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. Today we will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
We will repeat important sentences, explain simple words, and practice together.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn English.
That's right. Even David sometimes says funny things.
Hey, only sometimes?
Well, maybe a little more than sometimes.
Fair enough.
Friendly. Before we begin, please like this video if you enjoy learning English with us.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations every week.
Great. Let's go to our restaurant together.
David and Alice are walking down a busy street.
David, I'm getting hungry.
Me too, Alice.
Oh, look over there.
I see it.
There's a nice restaurant.
It looks clean.
It also looks friendly.
Shall we eat there?
Yes, let's go.
We walk to the restaurant.
I like the flowers outside.
Me too. They're beautiful.
The restaurant looks busy.
Busy is good.
Why?
Because many people like the food.
Good point.
Teaching. Let's learn our first useful phrase.
Listen carefully.
I'd like a table, please.
Let's repeat it.
I'd like a table, please.
One more time.
I'd like a table, please.
Excellent.
This sentence is simple, polite, and useful. David and Alice walk inside the restaurant.
Wow, it's very nice.
I like the music.
It's soft and relaxing.
The restaurant smells wonderful.
I think the food is fresh.
Here comes the host. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
I'd like a table for two, please.
That's a great sentence.
Let's repeat it together.
I'd like a table for two, please.
Again.
I'd like a table for two, please.
Very good.
David, what does for two mean?
Great question.
Thank you.
For two means two people.
Oh.
If you are alone, you can say,
I'd like a table for one, please.
exactly.
If there are four people, then say, I'd like a table for four, please.
Perfect.
Certainly. Please follow me.
Thank you very much.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
This table is nice.
Yes, I like it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Teaching. Let's practice another useful sentence.
Listen carefully.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you.
One more time.
Thank you.
Very good.
David, where would you like to sit?
I like sitting by the window.
Me too.
We can see outside.
Yes.
We can watch people walking.
That's fun.
But don't stare at people too much.
You're right. Here's another useful phrase.
Can we sit by the window?
Again.
Can we sit by the window?
Slowly.
Can we sit by the window?
Excellent.
David, I'm excited.
Why?
I love trying new food.
Me too.
But sometimes I don't know the English words.
That's okay.
Really?
Yes.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Exactly.
Learning English takes time.
And practice.
Lots of practice.
Little by little,
Day by day,
you will improve.
we believe in you.
With you, let's review today's important sentences.
Listen and repeat.
I'd like a table, please.
Again.
I'd like a table, please.
I'd like a table for two, please.
Again.
I'd like a table for two, please.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you.
Can we sit by the window?
Again.
Can we sit by the window?
Great job. You learned some very useful English today.
In the next part, we will open the menu and learn how to ask about food and drinks.
We will also learn how to order politely and confidently.
Warm smile. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite restaurant food?
Pizza?
Noodles?
Chicken?
Or maybe something different?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for learning English with us.
See you in part 2.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Welcome back, everyone. David and Alice are sitting at their table.
That's right. Now it's time to look at the menu and order some delicious food.
Remember, don't worry about speaking perfect English. Speak slowly, speak clearly, be polite.
That's the secret. Simple English is good English.
Wow, this menu has so many choices.
Yes, it does. I see salads, sandwiches, pasta, rice, soup, and desserts.
I don't know what to choose.
Me neither. Everything looks delicious.
Alice, what do you usually order at a restaurant?
I usually order grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you. What about you, David?
I usually order pasta or a burger.
Ah, I knew you would say burger.
You know me very well. Let's learn an important question.
Listen carefully.
Can I see the menu, please?
Again,
Can I see the menu, please?
one more time.
Can I see the menu, please?
Excellent.
Here's your menu.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
David, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What does I'd like mean?
Great question.
Thank you.
I'd like is a polite way to say what you want.
So instead of saying, I want pasta, I can say, I'd like the pasta, please.
Exactly.
That sounds much more polite.
Let's practice.
Repeat after David.
I'd like the pasta, please.
Again,
I'd like the pasta, please.
slowly.
I'd like the pasta, please.
Wonderful.
Alice, what are you thinking about?
I'm reading the drinks.
I see coffee,
Tea,
orange juice,
lemonade.
and mineral water.
Hmm.
Have you decided?
Not yet.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Here's another useful sentence.
Listen carefully.
I need a few more minutes.
Again,
I need a few more minutes.
one more time.
I need a few more minutes.
Perfect.
Sometimes it's okay if you cannot decide quickly.
That's true.
You can simply say,
I need a few more minutes.
very polite.
Very useful.
Here comes the server.
I think I'm ready now.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
And what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
Certainly.
David, your turn.
I'd like the beef burger, please.
Nice.
And I'd like a lemonade.
That sounds refreshing.
I hope so.
David almost ordered 3 desserts.
Well, I was thinking about it.
3 desserts?
Maybe just 2.
That's still a lot.
Let's practice another useful question.
Repeat after me.
What do you recommend?
Again,
What do you recommend?
slowly.
What do you recommend?
Excellent.
If you don't know what to order, ask.
What do you recommend?
The server may tell you today's special.
Or the most popular dish.
Thinking, Alice, what if I don't understand something on the menu?
That's easy.
Really?
Yes.
What should I say?
You can ask, what's in this dish?
Exactly. Let's practice together.
What's in this dish?
Again,
What's in this dish?
one more time.
What's in this dish?
Maybe you have a food allergy.
Or maybe you don't eat spicy food.
Then asking questions is very important.
Never feel shy.
Asking questions is a good thing.
David, do you like spicy food?
A little.
Only a little?
Yes.
That's true.
I know, you always ask for extra chili.
That's true.
Teaching, here's another useful sentence.
Repeat after David.
Is this spicy?
Again,
Is this spicy?
slowly.
Is this spicy?
Very good.
Our food is coming soon.
I'm getting excited.
Me too.
The restaurant smells amazing.
I can't wait to eat.
David, you have been talking about food since we arrived.
I guess I was really hungry. Review. Let's review today's key phrases.
Listen and repeat.
Can I see the menu, please?
Again,
Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like the pasta, please.
Again,
I'd like the pasta, please.
I need a few more minutes.
Again,
I need a few more minutes.
what do you recommend?
Again,
What do you recommend?
what's in this dish?
Again,
What's in this dish?
is this spicy?
One more time.
Is this spicy?
Warm smile. Fantastic job. Today you learned many useful restaurant expressions.
You are improving your English step by step.
In part 3, our food will arrive.
We'll learn how to ask for extra items, enjoy a meal, compliment the food, and pay the bill politely.
Encouraging. Keep practicing these sentences out loud.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Before we go, tell us in the comments.
What do you usually order at a restaurant?
We would love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us.
See you in part 3.
Goodbye, everyone. We're waiting for our meal. This is another great chance to practice real English.
Remember, you don't need difficult words. Simple and polite English works very well.
Let's continue our restaurant adventure.
This restaurant has a nice atmosphere.
I agree.
The music is soft.
The tables are clean.
The staff are friendly.
And everyone looks happy.
That's always a good sign.
Yes, happy people usually mean good food.
Excuse me,
Yes?
here are your drinks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My orange juice looks fresh.
My lemonade looks cold.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's practice a useful sentence.
Listen carefully.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you.
One more time.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Being polite is very important in English.
That's right.
Simple words like please and thank you make a big difference.
They show kindness and respect.
Here is your food.
Wow.
It smells wonderful.
My grilled chicken looks delicious.
My burger looks amazing.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You too.
Mmm.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Great.
How's your burger?
It's juicy and tasty.
I knew you would like it.
Repeat after me.
It's delicious.
Again.
It's delicious.
Slowly.
It's delicious.
Excellent. Maybe you want some ketchup.
Or maybe some salt.
Or a little pepper.
What should we say?
Listen carefully.
Could I have some ketchup, please?
Again.
Could I have some ketchup, please?
Very good.
David, could I have some water, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good practice.
Yes, we can practice anywhere. Let's learn another useful sentence.
Repeat after David.
Could I have some water, please?
Again.
Could I have some water, please?
One more time.
Could I have some water, please?
David, what is your favorite drink with a meal?
I usually drink lemonade or iced tea.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I usually drink orange juice or water.
Healthy.
I try my best.
Your chicken looks great.
Would you like to try a small piece?
Thank you, but I'm happy with my burger.
That's okay.
Maybe next time. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Really?
I was just thinking about dessert.
Already?
There's always room for dessert.
That's a famous saying. Repeat this sentence.
The food is delicious.
Again?
The food is delicious.
Slowly.
The food is delicious.
Excellent. After eating, what do we usually ask for?
The bill.
Exactly.
Let's practice.
Listen carefully.
Could we have the bill, please?
Again?
Could we have the bill, please?
One more time.
Could we have the bill, please?
Wonderful.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Here's your bill.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alice, how would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
Good choice.
What about you?
Sometimes I pay with cash.
Both are common.
Repeat after me.
Can I pay by card?
Again?
Can I pay by card?
One more time.
Can I pay by card?
Now our meal is finished.
We had good food.
We had good conversation.
And we learned useful English.
Let's review today's important expressions.
Listen and repeat.
It's delicious.
Again.
It's delicious.
Could I have some water, please?
Again?
Could I have some water, please?
The food is delicious.
Again.
The food is delicious.
Could we have the bill, please?
Again?
Could we have the bill, please?
Can I pay by card?
Again.
Can I pay by card? Excellent work. Today you practiced English from the moment you entered the restaurant until you paid the bill.
That's a complete restaurant conversation.
Remember, confidence comes from practice.
Speak a little every day.
Don't worry about small mistakes.
Every mistake is another chance to learn.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a like.
and subscribe for more easy English conversations every week.
We create simple English lessons to help you listen, speak, and build confidence.
Before we say goodbye, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite food?
And what would you order at a restaurant?
We look forward to reading your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep speaking English.
See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.